Following my last update on myself in March 2020, I thought I'd film a new update. We're now in August and I've completed chemotherapy. I've also completed a course of 2 weeks of radiotherapy. And this was following an increase in the nodules in my lungs from the sarcoma back in June. This was picked up 2020, and a lump in my groin where I'd had sarcoma taken the year before, so that's a recurrence. So radiotherapy in these coronavirus COVID-19 times was felt to be safer than the chemotherapy, which destroys your immune system. As you can see, I've got some hair now. I'm not wearing a beanie, and my hair has been grown back, and I was very proud 2 weeks ago to get my first haircut. So hopefully with a few more haircuts the hair will grow back to its normal strength and weight. I don't think I'm ever going to feel this bald spot at the back here again, but I may start to look a little bit more like the photograph that I use for publicity, which I'm hanging on to with both hands and I want to continue using, but I may have to update. As far as family history research is concerned, I'm still conducting my own research. I'm very excited to have a book now with a publisher moving towards publication. This book has been in the making for about 4 years, and it's going to be a practical guide to researching your family history, but also exploring some of the stories I've discovered about my ancestors through my family history research. So it will give you an insight into how to explore your family history and what you can gain from family history research as a result. I'm very proud of my online course, Introduction to Family History Research, and also my free guidance through my free newsletter and my paid guidance through my subscription newsletter. So the website address to access those free and paid resources is coming up shortly, and do have a look at those and take advantage of them. Stay in touch, have a look at the other videos on my YouTube site, and if you'd like to see particular videos or particular subjects covered, then contact me. Drop me an email at the address coming up now and I will respond, and hopefully we can agree to complete a video or two. And while I remember, having successfully trialled 3 webinars over the summer, I'm putting a program together at the moment for starters and for more seasoned researchers, a series of webinars which will take you further in your research. So those have been well received, and it gives me the confidence to produce more of those. They will probably take place via Zoom, maybe on an afternoon or an evening, depending when there is interest, London time, UK. So watch out for all of that through my website, myfamilygenealogy.co.uk. And if you're unaware what sarcoma is, please have a look at the sarcoma website, which comes up at the end of this video as well. Thank you for watching, stay in touch, and I'll see you again soon.